the primary grades, starting with kindergarten, it's important that children know how to count. It's very important for when they start doing addition and subtraction, the idea of place value. And the counting, you want it to start within 10. Okay, we have 10 fingers, we have 10 toes. We want them to be able to count within 10. And one of the things you can use is what's called a 10 frame, which is here. You can go to the internet, you can get copies printed out simply by Googling. You can simply just draw it on paper like this. This is a 10 frame here. And the thing is, you want them to be able to add and subtract within 10, okay? First thing, though, is to just count, all right? So, kindergarten student, count these objects. How many yellow do I have? Okay? And you want them to point to it and count, okay? You don't want them 1, 2, because they're also working on their fine motor skills, so you want to help them do the 1-to-1. Now, you want to start using language. How many more do I need to have 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. You want them to go through that motion. Okay, I have 4. 4 is how many less than 5? Using that language. Okay, it's 1 less than 5. Now, what we have here with our 10 frame, they can go through and count. And one of the things you want to pay attention to is you have 2 5s. But here, have them count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow. So I have 6 red and I have 4 yellow. That gives me a total of 10. I can say also that I have 4 yellow and 6 red, and I still have 10. Now you have 10. If I take away the 4 yellow, how many do I have left? 10 minus 4 is 6. And then you can do the same thing with red. So in these primary grades, it's important to make sure that they know how to count. They understand greater than, less than, more, less, fewer, the language around mathematics. Then you want to make sure that they can add and subtract within 10. And I suggest, some people teach addition and subtraction in isolation. I like doing it all together because they're capable, okay? And we want to teach advanced concepts as early as possible, especially since they're related. And if you're doing it in the way that I just did the problem here. So spend time with your child. It can just be 1, 2, 3 problems. 5, 10, 15 minutes a day will work wonders. So make sure that your child, in those primary grades, kindergarten, especially first grade, your child should not be going to the second semester of kindergarten without knowing how to count objects. If they do, if they're not capable of counting, they're going to have trouble down the line. And the problem is simply going to get worse. We have to do better.